Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I got a tablet here and to amazement I found out that I could not do what upload videos using my YouTube app even on the web. So what I do, let me see, I get some funny error here. Okay, I'll touch there. Okay, it's gonna open. So when it opens, I can't do some things. Let me try to turn it around. Okay, you can see it doesn't have those tabs whereby I have to record, do all those things. I can't do them. You get me? So what's next here, So let me see here. This one is just for music and stuff. Okay, it's okay. Anyway, but now I might need to record some stuff. Let me twist this and go to Google Chrome. When I go to Chrome, then I need to type in YouTube. Sometimes it doesn't listen to me. Type in YouTube there. Okay, YouTube, this is the first one, right? You can notice that there is no YouTube whereby you can do what record or what they call, you can't upload videos and all that. You get me? So you see the icons are not here. I wanted to go this way. When I twist it doesn't give me that option. I try to go twist it. Yes, twisted now. Then what can I do? I want to type in YouTube here. Search for YouTube. YouTube, yes. Get this work for you. Okay. Let me take the first one. Let's say YouTube. Okay, let me use the web. So still we can't see anything, right? Let's go down here. Library Explore. Let's click on that. We get that. We click on this. We get that. Okay. Click on this. We get that. Click on the video is gonna play, but here we can't see those icons, right? So how do you do that? Also, find something. Okay, let me take you straight to this to the trick you do. You do a simple trick when you're on a phone or a tablet to get those icons to upload your videos. What you do, you click here and you recent. You go down, then you click this, which I say desktop site. Once you click that, it will change and give you the icons. You're gonna see the icons. It's a bit slow, but it's gonna work out. There you can see the microphone came. Wow, it logs me out quickly. Okay. When you go back, you can see now there's a microphone icon. Right here, there's now this icon where you can click and do it and upload your stuff. Okay, that's super cool. So if I can do that and click on that, you can see it gives a chance option upload. Upload. I click on that. What happened? It's still loading. Wow. So now after that, this is when I'm gonna touch here. And I pick up any file. Camcorder, since a document. That's when I can get any file I want. Okay. There's another also error I saw. I wonder if it's gonna come back so that you guys will know how to. If you get any error, use the same trick. Let me go back here. Okay. You see this? Let me see if I have another YouTube. Okay. I don't think that will work. So, but now, one thing I'm gonna do is to want to change it, twist it. Okay, it's okay. Anyway, it's fine. So I'm gonna go to Google Chrome and I type in YouTube. Yes, I'm already on YouTube, but I want to cancel this. Cancel that. Cancel that also. Okay. Did not cancel. Okay. Say YouTube. Okay, when I click here, okay, it can open YouTube. Yeah, this is the message I get. Switchyoutube.com version is okay. This version of YouTube is out of date and no updates are available for your device. Please visit youtube.com on your web browser. You can see, instead of like even if you visit using your browser, you fail to upload what the videos up until you click on that thing to change your browser into a desktop mode. That's one of the messages which made me to do this video. You get me? I wanted to upload a video using my tablet, but then they tell me the software what is stuff is old and all that nonsense. So I couldn't do what I wanted. So this video motivated me to try to find out. Then I figured it out because I don't use much my mobile, I use my computer. So I didn't know that happens. I hope this helps. There are many people who have the same issue, but anyway, as long as you learn that trick, you can use your web, then you select that, then you're in. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Azania Tutorials, and see you in the next video.